Is your iPhone battery health draining too fast? If you found that your iPhone battery health is frequently dropping and you want to fix the battery draining issue, then follow these 3 troubleshooting steps to prevent the problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. Do not use low power mode all the time. Frequent use of low power mode may impact the overall experience of your iPhone, and it's important to strike a balance between conservative battery and enjoying the full capacity of your device. It can make an effect on the battery health. Solution 2. Enable some important battery settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Battery and Health Charging. Enable Optimized Battery Charging. Also enable Clean Energy Charging. Solution 3. Use authentic adapter and cable. Non-certified chargers might not provide a consistent voltage and current output, leading to overcharging or undercharging of the battery. Over time, this can affect the battery's capacity and overall health. So, to maintain your iPhone's battery health and overall performance, it's highly recommended to use authentic Apple chargers and accessories. Solution 4. Do not use your iPhone while charging. When you are using your iPhone while charging, the battery is both charging and discharging simultaneously. This can lead to a slightly higher number of charge cycles over time. So, stop gameplay and other uses while charging. If you follow these steps, hope your problem will be solved. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching.